Hi, I'm Jade. I'm here to give you a special tour of KTSA, or Kennedy Center for Theater and the Studio Arts. The Arts Center is one of my favorite buildings on campus, and it has amazing facilities that all students can use, not just theater and arts majors. In KTSA, there's so many different studios and spaces where students can do a bunch of different things like painting, printmaking, sculpture, woodworking, ceramics, metals, as well as photography. Sure, I'm forgetting something, but you guys will just have to come over here and find out for yourself. Over here we have this beautiful wall that commemorates all of the alumni from Kirkland College. Kirkland was originally an all-women's school that merged with Hamilton in 1978, from which Hamilton adopted the open curriculum and all of the beautiful arts programs here. The Digital Arts Suite provides space for students of all concentrations to come together on campus and create different multimedia projects. And this is a space for recording music and videos that all students can use. These studios have state-of-the-art equipment where students are able to work on projects, whether it's audio, visual, you name it, you can do it here on campus. Here in KTSA, we have two different theaters. At Hamilton, theater concentrators get to write and produce their own play. We have a bigger theater, 175 people, and then we have a smaller one for more experimental lab production. But all students are able to participate in theater here, whether you want to act, be a stagehand, maybe you even want to build the sets. KTSA is a super popular building on campus because 80% of students take an art class. Maybe I'll even see you in here. Hope you enjoyed the tour, but you have to see this place for yourself.